everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and I'm back with another tutorial, and this one's really cute actually. And what all these are for is everyone who shopped with me last month in May got these little sweet little mini envelopes, and they're really tiny and you don't need a die or anything. I've just made them, you know, like by hand, and I've just loaded them with loads of cute little cutouts, you know, all sorts of little decorations. There's another one, and these were little banners that I made with a paper clip, so I'm going to show you how to make them. And you can just put in whatever you want and decorate them. And I've also made like a little kind of topper thing for them. Just loads of just different varieties really. So I think they make great little gifts, but also I think they would be great to sell at craft fairs as well. So we're going to make some of these. So I think this time I am going to use the gorgeous, I always forget the names, Garden Impressions. So to make this little envelope, it needs to measure 5 by 3 inches, and this is a great way to use up your scraps, because I keep my scraps of designer paper in here and it was full, so I've used loads of little scraps, which I'm pleased about. So take your little piece of designer paper and we're going to put it in on the short side, and all we're going to do is score it at 1/4 of an inch on each side, and that happens to be that little mark there, the first mark. So 1/4 of an inch, turn it round, do the same again, and then on the long side we are going to score, don't say I forgot, I think, yeah, it's 1.5, so 1.5 and 3.5, and you will end up with that. It's really easy. Okay, so we're then gonna just give it a fold and burnish. Alright, so what we want to do is the only little side score lines we want to leave is the ones in the middle. Okay, you've got a wider 2-inch section in the middle, so just cut away the 4 little ones on the top and bottom. And then I'm going to show you a larger one that we could make on the envelope punch board as well. Okay, so that's what you want to have left, and then they will just fold in, and that's our sweet little envelope. Okay, so we need some glue down here. You only want a small amount of glue. Just push them in and then just stick them to there. Okay, and what I like to do as well is I just take a corner rounder and I just round off the corners. Okay, so there is our sweet little envelope. Now I've just got loads of little bits and pieces that I've cut out already, so I'm just going to grab a few. So I have a kind of little doily thing, which I think might be, well, it's not too big because they don't close, you see. You want to just load it up with loads of things, so as long as it kind of stays in, that's the main point, okay? And then I've got this little, just a little card cut out there. We've got a lovely butterfly. Just whatever you want to put in. Some of the little daisies, I'll put them in last. We've got some more little cutouts here. And just rearrange how you want them. I think that's stuck in the butterfly. Yeah, it is. Okay, some more little punch outs which matches the paper, what we made the envelope for. We've got a little tag here. Oh, we've got a dragonfly. What else have we got? Got some pretty little punch outs here from some acetate that I had lying around. Just a cute little cutout. Now I'm going to show you how to make the little flags. So I've got a little piece of the DSP, which is 4 by 1 3/4. Now I've been making them just with a gold paper clip, but I think today I'm going to use these really pretty pink ones that I've got. Okay, so all you do is take your paper on the side that you don't want to see, have it facing up the side that you don't want to see, and then we're just going to literally slide it in there and then just pull that round, and we want to get it so it's lined up, and then just press that down. Okay, and then we're going to take our scissors and we're going to make it into a little banner. Okay, and these are really easy. You can use your scraps and they're really sweet. Okay, and then just take your Tombow and just open it up and just glue it down rather. Again, you don't need a lot of glue. And I've had great fun making all of these and just using up all the scraps. Okay, and then you can decorate that however you want. So I think what I'm going to do is, I've got a new bundle here stitched all around. It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to use You Are My Sunshine, my only sunshine. And the idea is it's going to sit on the middle. So I've got a bit of Whisper White, because then with the matching framelits, this is what cuts it out. Okay, this is absolutely gorgeous. So we'll just get a block, put our little stamp on, and I'm using lovely lipstick. This is one of my favourite colours. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to ink this up. It should be okay. And then we're going to stamp it out. Gorgeous. And then I want to stamp as well, I want to stamp Lovely out, because I think I'm going to put that somewhere on the front of my envelope. And I might just punch that out with a little punch. Okay, so we've got that done. And then we just need to quickly grab the Big Shot, so I'll just get that. Okay. So I'm going to pop that in and pop the little die on. And I'm just thinking we have these cute little kind of tag things here, so I think I am going to use this one for the word Lovely actually instead, while I've got the Big Shot out. I know you can't really see, and I'm just going to pop that on there, and that cuts out a really sweet like little banner thing. It's really nice. I love this magnetic platform, but sometimes it's just a pain to get to stay still, especially if you're trying to cut out a few dies at once. There. Sometimes just have to manoeuvre it a bit to get it right. Okay. Let's see what we've got. As you can see, isn't that lovely? It's got like the little, it's got stitching round there, but then it's also got these little kind of cutouts, which that's gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. And then this one is so cute as well, just cuts out that, and you've got the stitching and then the little scallop sides. I love it, really like this set, it's so pretty. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so we'll get our little banner back and our little envelope. So I've got the little banner, and that's going to go, which I think it's probably too big, but we could put that on there. We could put that on there. Yeah, we'll do that instead. So you can just have a play around, really, see where you want things. So we'll put a little dimensional in the middle, and we'll put a couple on this one. So we'll have this on our little banner instead. That's just so cute. And then this is going to go on the front of our envelope. Just like that. How gorgeous are them? Lovely little gifts. And then I want to pop this in here as well, just like that. So this is going to go in a little pocket. Now I've been using these cellophane bags, which measure, they are roughly 5 by 7.5, or I think they're actually classed as 5 by 7, something like that. And all I've done is just tuck the envelope and just pop it in. like that. Just when you're happy with that, you can seal it down. Okay. Seal it down. And then I also get some tape, and then I'm just going to slightly fold over this side because it's a little bit too wide. Okay, because the top bit we're going to staple a little thing together that we've made. So I've got a piece of DSP, which is, now let me see, so this measures now, it's roughly 4 inches. So I want a piece of DSP which is going to be 4 or just slightly over by 4. So we'll cut this down to 4 by 4. Okay, and just score it in the middle at 2. Okay, and that's going to be like our kind of little topper for the bag, which I'm just going to pop on like that, and then with a stapler I'm just going to staple the sides on. Okay, and then with the classic, classic label, I'm just going to punch out my little like kind of handle. And there we go. So simple, quick and easy, and I just think they make absolutely beautiful, gorgeous little gifts. So there we go. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope it's given you some ideas, and as I said, they'd be great for craft fairs, and you could also decorate the top as well. So there's just the other ones, some of the other ones that I've made. So yeah, all the info will be on my blog, and I'll be back again soon with another tutorial. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.